Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Capcut. So if you guys are using Capcut in as your video editor and you want to add some music and don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you. So watch until the end of the video. So here I've already opened the Capcut and then I'm going to edit my video right here. So as you can see here, the video doesn't have any sound and I'm going to add the sound. So what you need to do is just click on the add audio option. Just click on here, or you can also click on the audio menu at the toolbar at the bottom like this, and then click on sound. Okay, so here you can add some music into your video from a Capcut or provided by Capcut, or you can also add your own music just by clicking this folder and click on from device. You can see there this is the music on my device, but today I'm going to use the music from Capcut. So you can just choose the category, or you can also search the songs or singers right here, but I'm going to use the vlog category. And then if you want to preview this music first, you can just click on the music and it will be automatically like this. Okay, just find the sound that you think fits the most into your video. Okay, I'm going to add this. Just click on the plus icon, and then when you play it, the music will be added into your video just like that. And if the music is too long, you can just trim it, or you can just cut the music that fits into your video duration. Just drag this along the way until it fits your video, just like that. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye guys.